Hey ladies, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Mrs. Emily Paints, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this pink summer eyeshadow glam with the Bright palette by Beauty Bay. You guys, this is one of my favorite soft looks. It just looks so pretty and perfect for this summer. We're going to be starting off with the shade Preppy Pecan, however you pronounce that. You guys, I'm Latina, okay? I suck at pronouncing stuff, especially because I'm bilingual. So we're going to be using a blending brush and we're going to be applying this all over our crease and our outer corner. If you're new here, welcome. You guys, remember to subscribe if you want to continue to watch more makeup tutorials and turn on your notifications so you can get the update of when I upload my next tutorial. Okay, you guys, so we're just going to keep blending this in small circular motions, and we're not going to be going too high up onto the crease. As you guys can see, I'm just staying up in this area, and try to use a fluffy blending brush, you guys. These are my favorite to use. These are from the Jaclyn Hill collection from Morphe. They came out a long time ago, but they have lasted me so long. Next, we're going in with the shade Bare Necessity, and we're just going to be applying this in this area right here, and we're going to be going in small circular motions, and it's okay to go up to the brow bone, you guys, because we're supposed to be blending as much as we could to get this to look as smoky as possible at the top. You guys, I forgot where I bought this brush too, but this brush is so good and I've had it for years. Like, it has lasted so long, you guys, and it blends really well. I'm gonna look for the name and let you guys know because I recommend this brush. Next, we're going back in with the first shade that we used, and we're gonna be applying some more product and start blending it, you guys. Sorry if my voice cracks. I have like the worst allergies lately, you guys, and I sound horrible. Like, my nose is so stuffy right now. But anyways, we're going to be blending in circular motions, you guys, and packing on some more product. This is one of the easiest glams I've done because it's just simple colors. The only bright color we're going to be using is that bright pink in the inner corner, which is nice. So we're just going to keep blending this, you guys, and then adding some more of the other shade, Bare Necessity, and we're just going to be making this as smoky as possible at the very top, you guys. I did not set my base as usual, you guys. I'm using the Glamlight base. This eyeshadow base is so bomb, you guys. I used to use concealer, or not concealer, but I used to use foundation as concealer to add it as a base, if that makes sense. But ever since I moved on to this base from Glamlight, it works so good, you guys. Like, I fell in love with it and I have not stopped using it. I also recommend, while you guys are doing your eyeshadow, if you're new to my channel, do not do your foundation before your eyeshadow. Always do your eyeshadow first or you're gonna make a mess. And I hate when that happens because then sometimes you're in a rush, in a hurry, and I hate messing up my foundation and then having to like fix it before I have to leave my house. So I always do eyeshadow first. Now we're going to be going in with the shade Tutu, and we're going to be applying this in the inner corner with a small flat brush. You guys, this purple, I was about to say purple. This pink shade is so perfect for this look, you guys. It just makes the eye pop really well. And this is perfect for summer, just a nice simple glam. And we're going to just be applying this right here. And then next we're going to be going in with this shade from ColourPop. It's called Very Good Vibes. It's from the Toy Story collection, you guys, and we're gonna be applying this on our lid. And because this shade is already kind of wet and moist, we're just gonna be applying this with the flat brush onto our lid like so. You guys, this shimmery shade looks so pretty. I actually really like it. I've never used these from ColourPop before, so this was my first time trying them from this collection and I loved it. Look at how pretty that's looking. We're just going to be applying this first in tapping motions and then we're going to kind of swipe it in there. But yeah, you guys, what do you guys think of the look? Comment the word pink down below if you guys have watched the video up until right now. This is how I know you guys are a real one and you guys are actually paying attention to my tutorial, because I know people get out of the video before it finishes. Next, we're going to be going in with the shade White Lies, and we're going to be applying this with the flat brush at the very top of our brow bone. You guys, I love how this gives it that extra pop. Look at how pretty the look is looking. So now we're going in with the Italia Deluxe eyeliner. You guys, those of you that have known me for a long time know that this is my favorite eyeliner. Those of you that are new, I highly recommend using this eyeliner. It's from Italia Deluxe, and it is actually very matte and black. It is my favorite go-to. I recommend it big time. We're actually doing a very thin and sharp line for our eyeliner this time, only because I want to give it that extra cat eye effect. I really like how this came out, you guys. I normally do thicker eyeliner, just my preference, but this like very thin line looks so good with this look. If you guys want a tutorial on how to do your eyeliner, comment down below and I'll make that video for you guys. I love making this video for you guys. I've been consistent with my content lately, so just let me know if you guys want me to do one and I will. Next, we're going in with my favorite mascara, you guys. This is from ColourPop. It's called Level Up. I love this mascara. I recommend it to everybody in every single video. It makes your lashes really long. You guys, I have super short lashes and this does the trick every time. And now we're going to be going in with our falsies. These are called Violeta lashes. They're from my website, you guys. So if you're interested, the link is down below for my website. It's in the description. So now I'm going to be going back in with the shade Tutu, and we're going to be applying this towards the bottom. And we're just going to be intensifying the shade a little bit more. And then after that, you guys, we're going back in with Preppy Pecan. And we're going to be applying this on our lower lash line as tightly as possible with a small flat brush. This type of brush is usually what helps me get the best results for my lower lashes. I really like to work with these in this area because it's just so easy to get the product to stick to where you want it to be. Now we're going to be going in with the ColourPop eyeliner. You guys, this eyeliner is so rich and creamy. I love it. The only thing I do not like is that sometimes it smears a little too much in the inner corner. But it's really nice and very black, which I love. And now we're going to be using the same brush that we used with Preppy Pecan. And we're going to be blending in those two shades together. Next, you guys, I'm going to be using my Italia Deluxe eyeliner to add this little line in the inner corner. This is my favorite part, you guys, because it looks like a cat eye. It looks so good. I'll do the rest off camera because it's so hard. Now I'm going in with my ColourPop mascara again and making those lower lashes a little bit longer because I have very short lashes, you guys. And this is the finishing look, you guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any other color suggestions for this summer. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. Turn on your notifications so you can get notified every time that I post. And yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!